In this video, we are going to look at how you can select what type of emails are sent to you, to your customers, and how to change the texts that your customers will see in their emails when they shop at your store. First, on the left side menu, click on the option Catalog. Then select Catalog Settings and find the option Emails. Here you can select what type of emails are sent to you: order received, payment received, or new review received. Then you can select what type of emails are sent to your customers: order confirmation, which is mandatory, payment confirmation, dispatch confirmation, invitation to review products. After that, you'll see multiple fields where you can adjust the exact text that will be shown at the beginning of the order confirmation email, at the beginning of the payment confirmation email, at the beginning of the order dispatched email, at the beginning of the review email, and at the bottom of all emails. Once you're done, click on the button Save.